Once you have a surface, you can then create contours. So on the Surfaces tab, you have towards the right side or the end is the contour panel. So there's a couple ways. There's a create contours, which creates contour lines with elevations and labels. There's quick contours, and you can also create a contour at a specified elevation. So if I start with the quick contours in this example, what the quick contours allow us to do is select a surface, give the contours a name, set the interval that we want, set the index interval as well, put a layer for where the contours will be drawn, set the color for the intermediate as well as the index, and you can see the elevation, min and max, and the number of estimated contours that will be created. So when I click OK to this, you'll see that it will create the contours in my project. When I select a contour, they all get selected, so it's a group of contours. If you go over to your Project Explorer under Finish Design, you'll see the contours are listed under that design, or that surface in this case. You can right click on this and go to Properties, and then from the properties you can come in here and set the interval. So if you wanted to make these 2 and 10, you could come in and change the values here so that they're 2 and 10. You can set them to any interval that you wish. You could change the colors as well as change the layer or the name of the contours. Now if you want these to be individual contours, you'll see if you go back to Project Explorer, you can right click on contours, quick contours, and explode these objects, and what they will become is individual line strings. So now you'll see here that when I pick on it, that this is a CAD polyline, and as well as a quick contours object as well. So I get the individual lines, but I still get the quick contours. But when you explode, if you change the surface or modify the surface, the contours, only the quick contours will adjust and will update. So keep that in mind.